In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Grammarly problem in Microsoft Word. If you've been struggling to get Grammarly working smoothly in your Word documents, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of addressing this issue step by step, ensuring you can get back to writing with confidence and clarity in no time. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Office online. This is a great way to access your documents from anywhere with an internet connection. And it also ensures you have the latest updates and features available. Once you have Microsoft Office open, go ahead and navigate to the Word application. It's where all the magic happens. Our next step is to open a blank document. Starting fresh ensures that we're working with a clean slate and eliminates the possibility of other document-specific issues interfering with Grammarly. So click on New Document or Blank Document from the available options. Once your new document is open, it's time to head over to the Home menu. You'll find this at the top of your screen amongst the other menu options. The Home menu is your hub for most of the common tools you'll use while editing documents in Word. Now, look for the Add-ins option. This is where you'll manage all your integrations and extras in Word. It's usually found towards the end of the options in the Home menu. Clicking on Add-ins will open a new section where you'll see a search bar and possibly some suggestions based on popular or previously used add-ins. In the Add-ins menu, the next thing you want to do is use the search bar to look for Grammarly. Simply type Grammarly into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the Grammarly add-in, which is a tool designed to help you with spelling, grammar, and style issues within your Word documents. The final step is to select Grammarly from the search results and click on the Add button. This action installs the add-in to your Word application. Make sure to give it a moment to do its thing, and before you know it, Grammarly will be up and running within Word, ready to assist you with all your writing needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully addressed any issues you were experiencing with Grammarly in Microsoft Word. With permission settings correct and everything set properly, Grammarly should now integrate seamlessly, providing you with real-time suggestions to enhance your writing. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the improved functionality of your documents. Happy writing!